Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks, which I use for work. And again, I'm just admiring the cover from Maria of Pujo Planner. And this week, I will be using some of the stickers from my newest release, specifically spooky florals. Yes, I am going a little bit Halloween-ish, but I love florals and I love the black and the purple and the orange and a little bit of green in there. So you have the deco, which is on clear matte sticker paper. Then you have the paint swatches, the circles, as well as the quote and washi. And the washi literally is just, oh, so pretty. All right, let's get started. The pen that I'm going to be using this week is my Benu Euphoria in Ocean Breeze, and it's got Colorverse Hayabusa glistening in it. So I'm so excited to use this. Now, the first thing I do when it comes to decorating my spread is actually writing down the days of the week here. I know so many people decorate this in so many ways. Some cover it up, some use a Tombow dual brush pen to highlight it. I love being able to just write the day on it. It adds color and doesn't really take too much away from the spread. And then I'm just going to draw a line. Do I want to draw a line or do I want to use one of the washi? I think I'm just going to draw a line. I'm going to keep it simple because this purple is already so gorgeous. It's purple with shimmer. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually take a black sticker, place it here, and then place a floral right there. Oh my gosh, I already love it. And then I'm going to take an orange one. Actually, I'll take a smaller orange one and place it here and place it with a smaller floral, if it will come off. And then, oh, smaller floral. I actually want to put down the quote, "'Tis the season to be spooky." I'm not normally a Halloween decorator, but what I love about these florals and these stickers in general is that they have the Halloween colors, but they're not in your face Halloweeny, if that makes sense. And down. Perfect. And funny enough, I'm putting this down on a weekend that it's actually Thanksgiving in Canada. Oh well. And then I'm going to put this here, and I'm actually going to grab some of this grid washi. I think it'll add just a little bit more texture to the whole thing. And I'm going to add some up there as well. Oh, I don't know what it is, but I love it. Love it. Yep. And then add in a little floral. Actually, no, I'll take a bigger floral. And I'll do the orange. These were so fun to make in the different colors because they're not your typical florals colors. These are more like Halloween florals, and I really like that. Perfect. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and write in my meetings. So there is my overall finished spread. I love the purple, I love the orange, I love the black. It's very in season for Halloween without being jack-o'-lantern, scary Halloween type of thing. All right, but that is it for me. So these stickers are actually coming out and being released in my shop on what day? Friday. Friday, October 7th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. You can use the word spooky 15, so spooky 15 to get 15% off from Friday, October 7th until Monday, 11:59 p.m. So it's going to be over 4 days that you can use this code because it is Thanksgiving long weekend next weekend in Canada. All right, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.